Hello bestie. In today's recipe I will be sharing with you how I prepared this turkey sauce and fried yam. So get along with me as I prepare this sauce tastes so delicious. You will want to make it all the time. This is not just the normal turkey sauce or stew. Okay, so let's go ahead to prepare this delicious turkey stew or sauce rather. Here in this pot I have already washed turkey, so I'm going to be adding all the dry spices, all the ingredients into the turkey. Then after adding it, I'm going to mix it together to make sure the whole ingredient is well married into the turkey. Then after mixing it together, I'm going to cover it and set it aside so that it can marinate for just about 1 to 2 hours. You can do this overnight or you can as well cook it straight up. Okay, so here it is already marinated up to 1 hour. Then I will leave it there to continue cooking in its own juice. So I'll go ahead to cut the yam into cube forms. You can as well cut the yam in a straight shape, okay, whichever size or shape you want to cut it into, that is fine. And when you're scraping the skin of the yam, be careful not to hurt your hand. Instead, you do it right on the cutting board. So after peeling the yam, I will cut it into smaller sizes, into cube form. So then I will go ahead to give this yam a good wash it very well because of sand. So go ahead and wash it. After washing it with clean tap water, then we'll set it aside and go ahead to check the turkey. So here is the turkey. It has been cooking for a while now in its own juice. So I will go ahead, give it a quick mix. So it is time for me to add in some water. So the water will enable it to cook properly well. So I'm not going to let it cook so soft. Yes, so if you like your turkey very soft, you can go ahead to cook it more soft, okay, for a longer time. But because I'm going to be frying it, so I don't need to go ahead to leave it for a very long time. I just added some water into the turkey, so I'm going to cover it and allow it to continue cooking. Checking back on the turkey to see how far it is going. You can fry it. You can also fry it with oil, vegetable oil, okay, or any oil of your choice. Okay, you can cook it straight away with the stew. You can use it to prepare your stew or your sauce without frying or air frying it at all. So now the turkey is ready. I'm taking it out of the pot. Okay, then I will set it aside and heat up the oil for frying the yam. So please, at this point, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? So I just popped in the turkey into the air fryer. You can use the oven if you want. I just added some salt into the yam and shake it together to mix properly. Then go ahead to fry the yam. Or you can as well fry the yam or gray it in the oven or roast it in the oven rather. Okay, just adding a bit of oil, yeah, so that it won't dry off. I'm turning the yam so it is ready for me to bring it out of the oil. The yam is ready. I will go ahead and finish up the rest of the yam. The yam is ready. I'm going to set it aside. Then we are going to go ahead to prepare the sauce, okay, the turkey stew or turkey sauce. So here in this pot, I'll be adding some vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, you can use any oil of your choice, but right now I'm using vegetable oil. So in this recipe, I won't be using my usual green seasoning. So I just added some onions. So we are going to leave the onions to keep frying, but I just added some garlic, some blended garlic. While the onions is frying, I will go ahead and open up the tomato paste. So we'll just keep on stirring. Open up the tomato paste, and I just added the pepper, fresh pepper, and the tomato paste. I don't know what happened to the camera, it just went off. I added some bell pepper, blended bell pepper. Then some spring onions, thyme, and just a teaspoon of curry powder. Then a cube of Maggi cube seasoning. Go ahead and stir it, then add in some parsley leaf. This is optional. You can add in the fresh one if you have the fresh parsley leaf, but it is completely optional, and you can as well use basil leaf. So now it is ready for me to add in the turkey. This is the grilled turkey, okay, the one I fried earlier. Then mix it well for the sauce to combine well together with the turkey. So this is turkey sauce. So I'm going to add in the stock of from the turkey, okay. That is the only liquid you'll be adding into the sauce. So cover and cook for a while, and here it is. The stew is looking so this stew tastes so amazing, so delicious. Honestly, it's not as if I'm hyping it just like that. I'm hyping it because it merits the hyping. It merits the hyping. So now I just added some spring onions just to give it that color, flavor and taste. Yes, go ahead and mix it well together, and here is our turkey stew or turkey sauce, whichever one you call it. This tastes so good. You can pair it with yam, sweet potato, Irish potato, spaghetti, pastas, rice, of course, rice. You can pair it with a hot bowl of rice. This tastes so good. Now it is ready, so let us serve this delicacy. My lovely besties, you will enjoy this. I never fail when it comes to this type of recipe. Yes, I beat my chest. All right, so here is the plate. So let us dish out this delicious heaven. So yeah, here is our yam, well fried, and it's good to present these things well, so that it will be well enjoyable. It will be well enjoyable when eating it. Okay. So here in this plate, I'm going to serve the stew. Okay, the turkey sauce. This is so yummy. The kitchen smells wonderful. So my dear beautiful people, if you haven't subscribed to this my channel, what are you doing? Please support me, support your Girlie's Kitchen, support me in this channel. Click the subscribe button and the notification button, so that you will always be the number one, the first person to know whenever I share my post. Please do this for me. It is not for sale. To subscribe is not for sale, and to press the like button, it is not for sale. And I don't mind if you can drop that beautiful comments in my comment section. I will truly appreciate it. You guys are so wonderful. I so much appreciate you guys. I am sincerely grateful. Thank you, and thank you so much. So here in this plate, the food is well served. Please come and enjoy this with me. Come and enjoy it, because you guys deserve this delicious meal. Yes, so let me help you guys to taste it and give you the results. I just took some of it. So now I'm going to put it in my mouth to see how it tastes. Trust me, trust your bestie, it tastes so fabulous and good. Wow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am grateful, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.